Hello there. We'll start in southern Africa. And from the earlier satellite image, you can see Madagascar sandwiched between two tropical cyclones. Now, one of those moved its way across Reunion Island. That's Garance. It continues to descend further south out to sea. But to the west of that, Honde is expected to plague southern parts of Madagascar over the weekend, bringing some very strong winds, torrential rain that could cause landslides and very high waves as well. It still lingers in the south on Sunday, so we are expecting those hazards to last through the weekend. To the west of that, it's very wet across much of southern Africa. Well, not for western parts of South Africa, but we are expecting thunderstorms out east. It's much drier to the north of Africa as the gusty winds continue to blow their way towards West Africa. For the northwest, we've got a weather system working its way across Morocco that does start to peter out as we go into Sunday. And it's an improving picture across the Middle East and Levant. Temperatures are set to pick up and the skies dry as we go Saturday into Sunday. We'll see temperatures pick up across the Gulf, but a bit of a blustery wind is expected on Sunday. That's your weather update. Hello there. Tropical cyclone Alfred will continue to impact northeastern Australia. We'll head there in just a moment. First to Southeast Asia and its southern parts of the region that continues to see the dense cloud. It's much drier across the north for places like Indochina, the Malay Peninsula as well, seeing lots of settled weather with sunshine. We're still seeing showers across the Philippines, but no more flood alerts here. It's wetter further south across Borneo and into Indonesia as we start the new week. Now, for Australia, things are looking mighty fine for much of the country. There's lots of heat around, particularly across central and northern areas, but there is tropical cyclone Alfred spinning off the Queensland coast. It's going to bring hazardous surf as well as very high waves, gusty winds and some very heavy rain to southern parts of Queensland and northern parts of New South Wales Sunday into Monday. Now, things are set to cool down slightly across southern parts of WA. Perth coming down into the high 20s in terms of temperature, but there's that heat across central parts of Australia. We could see 45 degrees Celsius in some places in the very north, and temperatures aren't as high in New Zealand, but there's lots of weather, sunny weather to be enjoyed on Sunday.